In today's complex economic landscape, personal financial planning has become an essential skill for individuals seeking to secure their financial future. The process involves assessing one's financial situation, setting goals, creating a budget, and implementing strategies to achieve those goals. Personal financial planning can lead to greater financial security and independence, allowing individuals to live comfortably while preparing for future uncertainties. The foundation of effective personal financial planning begins with understanding one's current financial situation. This includes calculating net worth by listing assets and liabilities such as savings, properties, debts, and other financial commitments. A clear view of one's finances helps in identifying strengths and weaknesses, serving as a baseline for future planning. Regularly assessing one's financial status, at least annually, can provide valuable insights into spending habits and financial health, guiding future decisions. Setting financial goals is the next critical step in personal financial planning. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off credit card debt, whereas long-term goals might involve saving for a home or retirement. Clearly defined goals provide motivation and help individuals remain focused. Additionally, they guide the allocation of resources and investment strategies, as different goals may require varying levels of risk and liquidity. A fundamental component of personal financial planning is budgeting. A budget serves as a strategic guide for managing expenses and ensuring that income meets or exceeds expenditures. There are various budgeting methods one can adopt, such as the zero-based budget, where every dollar is assigned a purpose, or the 50/30/20 rule, which allocates 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Creating and sticking to a budget requires discipline, but the benefits include reduced financial stress, better debt management, and increased savings. Another critical aspect is the importance of establishing an emergency fund. This fund serves as a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or job losses. Ideally, an emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. Establishing this safety net mitigates the need to rely on high-interest credit options, thereby reducing long-term financial stress and promoting stability in uncertain times. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over time. A well-structured investment strategy should consider factors such as risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. Diversification, spreading investments across different asset classes, can help balance risk. It is advisable for individuals to educate themselves on different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. For many, leveraging the power of compounded interest through regular, consistent investments can significantly enhance their financial growth over the long term. Insurance is another critical component of personal financial planning. Adequate insurance coverage protects individuals from financial setbacks that can arise from unforeseen events such as illness, accidents, or property loss. Health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance are important considerations. Reviewing insurance policies regularly ensures that individuals have sufficient coverage without overpaying for unnecessary policies, allowing them to allocate funds more effectively towards their financial goals. Retirement planning is a vital facet of personal financial planning that requires early and strategic consideration. The sooner one starts saving for retirement, the more substantial the potential for growth due to compounding interest. Individuals should familiarize themselves with retirement accounts such as 401(k)s, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, and take full advantage of employer matches if available. Additionally, projecting retirement expenses and lifestyle needs can guide how much needs to be saved, helping individuals work toward a comfortable retirement without financial strain. The role of continuous education in personal financial planning cannot be overstated. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, influenced by economic shifts, technological advancements, and regulatory changes. Engaging with resources such as financial advisors, workshops, online courses, and literature can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their finances. Staying informed bolsters confidence and ensures that one can adapt strategies in response to changing financial circumstances. Personal financial planning is a dynamic and multifaceted process that holds significant implications for individual financial well-being. By understanding one's financial situation, setting precise goals, adhering to a budget, maintaining an emergency fund, investing wisely, securing adequate insurance, planning for retirement, and committing to ongoing education, individuals can create a sustainable financial future. In a world where financial security is increasingly overstated, individuals face numerous challenges, including rising living costs, fluctuating employment opportunities, and the intricate dynamics of investment markets. As a response to these challenges, personal financial planning emerges as a vital discipline aimed at empowering individuals to make informed financial decisions that enhance their economic well-being. The thesis of this essay posits that effective personal financial planning is essential for achieving long-term financial security, fostering responsible financial behavior, and facilitating the attainment of personal financial goals. Understanding personal financial planning. At its core, personal financial planning encompasses a systematic approach to managing one's financial resources to meet both short-term and long-term objectives. This process involves several key components, including budgeting, saving, investing, and risk management. By creating a comprehensive financial plan, individuals can gain clarity regarding their income, expenses, and savings potential. Furthermore, understanding the fundamental principles of financial planning is crucial for individuals at any stage of life, as it lays the groundwork for informed decision-making and proactive financial management. The role of budgeting in financial success. One of the foundational elements of personal financial planning is budgeting. A budget serves as a financial blueprint that outlines an individual's income and expenditures over a specified period. By tracking income sources and categorizing expenses, individuals can identify areas where they can reduce unnecessary spending and allocate resources more effectively. This discipline not only fosters financial awareness but also facilitates the establishment of an emergency fund, which is essential for navigating unforeseen expenses and mitigating financial stress. Consequently, effective budgeting is a cornerstone of financial stability and long-term success. The importance of saving and investing. In conjunction with budgeting, saving and investing are critical components of personal financial planning. Establishing a habit of saving is vital for building wealth and preparing for future financial commitments, such as home purchases, education, or retirement. Moreover, investing allows individuals to grow their wealth over time through the power of compound interest. By diversifying their investment portfolios and exploring various asset classes, individuals can enhance their financial prospects while managing risk. The ability to balance saving and investing is a skill that can lead to significant financial independence and security. Risk management and insurance. Another essential aspect of personal financial planning is risk management, which involves identifying potential financial risks and implementing strategies to mitigate them. Insurance plays a pivotal role in this context, protecting individuals from unforeseen financial burdens that could otherwise derail their plans. Health, life, property, and liability insurance are fundamental tools that safeguard against significant financial loss. By incorporating risk management strategies into their financial plans, individuals can ensure that they are adequately prepared for life's uncertainties, allowing them to focus on achieving their financial goals with greater peace of mind. In conclusion, personal financial planning is an indispensable tool for navigating the complexities of modern financial life. By understanding the key components of budgeting, saving, investing, and risk management, individuals can make informed decisions that foster financial stability and security. The strategic implementation of a personal financial plan not only enables individuals to achieve their immediate financial goals but also lays the groundwork for long-term prosperity. As financial literacy becomes increasingly essential in today's society, adopting a proactive approach to personal financial planning is not merely advisable, it is imperative for attaining a secure and fulfilling financial future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a money tip. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep building your financial future.